Zhongshan Guta Fire Equipment Technology Company Limited is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of fire alarm and fire suppression system. We are located in Guangdong Province, Zhongshan City, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment as AW Technology Smoke Box, hydraulic shearing machine, etc. In addition, we have obtained Intertech testing and ISO 9001-2008 certification. We have obtained many patents on fire alarm and smoke detector and got trademark Guta 2016. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Philippines, Kenya, etc., Asia, Africa, Middle East area. Also, our company is going to open one new factory in Bengal in 2017. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. We are dedicated to be the manufacturer of safety, reliability, and stable products, and we will stick to this target. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We look forward to meeting you.